In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload Google Docs to Google Drive in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If you've just created a document in Google Docs and want to move it into Google Drive, or you want to make sure your file is safely stored and easy to access from anywhere, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. This is one of those basic skills that saves time and keeps your files organized, especially if you use Google tools for school, work, or content creation. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tech tutorial. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Google account. If this is your first time using Google Drive, you may be prompted to complete a quick sign up or setup process. Just follow the on-screen steps until you arrive at your Google Drive homepage. Once you're in, you'll see your Drive dashboard, which is where all of your files and folders are stored. Now, to upload your Google Docs file, look for the plus new button on the left side of the screen. This is the main button you'll use for adding files to Drive. Click it once and a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a file from your computer or device. After clicking File Upload, a file picker window will open. This is where you'll locate the Google Docs file you want to upload. Find your document, click on it to select it, and then click Open. If you're on a Mac, Windows PC, or Chromebook, the process is basically the same. Once you hit Open, Google Drive will begin uploading the file automatically. Depending on the size of the document and your internet speed, the upload may take just a few seconds. You'll usually see an Upload Progress indicator in the corner of the screen. When the upload is complete, your file will appear in your Google Drive. At that point, you can click it to open it, move it into a folder, rename it, or share it with others if needed. If you want to stay organized, this is also a great time to create folders in Google Drive before or after uploading your document. That way, you can keep school assignments, business files, or personal documents separated and easy to find later. A well-organized drive makes it much easier to manage your work as your file collection grows, and that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to upload Google Docs to Google Drive in just a few simple steps. First, go to drive.google.com and sign in. Then click the New button, choose File Upload, select your document, and click Open. After that, your file will be stored in Google Drive and ready to use whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might need a quick Google Drive tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.